I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. There's a difficulty when you buy something used. Quite often, it comes with missing parts and unknown pieces. Also, if you're lucky enough to get the packaging that it comes in, it doesn't necessarily make sense the first time you look at it. Because where does this stuff go? I spent 20 minutes trying to figure out where that little thing went in the package, because I was trying to put it in sideways. It looked like it fit into that configuration like this. It actually goes in like this on its back. Fits right in. The little blades are protected here. Everything seems to be fine. The camera, though, looks a little odd. It looks like something happened to the camera. Either it's supposed to be able to turn, or it only points down. It doesn't point front ways. But I would think, since it goes into this thing, it should point front ways too. Should be able to point either direction. But that's something we'll have to find out when I get more time and spend a little time looking online for directions. And the second part of the puzzle comes, because that's due tomorrow, next day. I don't expect it until maybe the 20th, 25th. If it's coming USPS, then who knows? Could come anytime.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.